Safeguarding is not just about safety. Even though it has the word safe in it, it's not just about safety at all. And arguably, if you increase someone's human rights understanding of their human rights, or uphold their human rights further, if you make sure that their quality of life might be improved, if they are going to be happier, they might be taking more risks in life. You might work with a client with learning disabilities who's never been out on their own before. And the whole part of your work is to support them to use the community independently for the first time in their life, where they might make friends, they might have sex, they might drink alcohol, they might get lost. This could really increase their quality of life, but does it make them safe? No. Of course it doesn't. In fact, arguably, it makes them much less safe. So safeguarding is not only about keeping people safe, although hopefully it's that too. Because we always say it's about safety, because we've kind of been trained to say that a million times over. But safeguarding is about improving quality of life, and safety is not the most important thing to people mostly. If I met you in the pub and said, what's the most important thing in your life, and you said safety, I'd think you were a bit weird, to be honest. It would be a bit odd, wouldn't it? Whereas if I met you in the Yemen and you said safety, I'd expect that. I'd expect it. Because safety is circumstantial, really. If you live in an unsafe environment, I'd expect you to have safety as the top of your list. It's a bit like health. We're not worried about it until we get sick. It moves. It prioritises itself. Because we're now sick, it becomes an issue. It's the same with safety. So if our clients generally are feeling reasonably safe, reasonably in control, reasonably over the top of what they need to be, if they are reasonably in control of their lives and feel reasonably safe and secure, then they're not thinking about safety, they're thinking about happiness. They're thinking about having a good time. They're thinking about taking risks from